And of course, we're going to be using the logo resolution over here, which is 500 to 500 pixels. So we just need to click on that, and it Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a website logo using Canva. Now, there are a lot of things that you can do using Canva, but there are still limitations as to what you can access and what you can use in your presentations or your designs, which is why I'm telling you today that you have a chance to explore new things on Canva that other people cannot. And when you go down to the description box below, you will see a link that will give you access to free trial of Canva Premium for 30 days. So it's for free, it won't cost anything. Only after 30 days, if you still keep using it, will it cost you something. But that will be only already after a month, and you should probably have been decided already whether you want to continue using it or not. If not, you can just cancel it anytime. But I would really suggest if you use it. Anyways, let's get into the video and I'll show you how I would do a logo design using Canva. Okay, so first of all, we are already here on the landing page. We're shown different sizes or resolutions that we can use for our designs. And of course, we're going to be using the logo resolution over here, which is 500 to 500 pixels. So we just need to click on that and it will create a blank canvas for us. Now, if you notice up here, I have actually opened some websites like YouTube and HOTV. I'm a Counter-Strike enjoyer, just so we can really have a reference of what website logos look like. So nowadays, website logos look very, what do you call this? Minimalistic. So there's not much detail into it. So let's just try and also make something like that. But let's think first of the concept that we're trying to do. So we want to create for example, a music website. Let's say something like Spotify. And of course, we don't want to really copy Spotify. Let's say we want to name our website. Okay, let's start with adding a tag. Jingle, piece, refrain. Okay, let's say it's refrain. And then let's add some, let's say like this, refrain, like that. Just add some cool stuff into it. Some design, some uniqueness. And then we go over here to fonts. And then let's choose something that would fit well into our concept. Let's say something like this. All right. Now that looks good. Let's put it in the middle. Maybe put it somewhere below. All right, like that. And then what you can do now is you can also add some colors into your design. For instance, we can change this into whatever you desire. We're not using green because that would now really be similar to Spotify. Let's say we want to use something like red, and then we want this red to be darker. So let's go back here and pull it down until it becomes slightly darker. Okay. Another thing you can do is to go over here to effects, and maybe you can turn it into neon. But that wouldn't be that great if you're going to be using a website logo. So let's try to make it as simple as possible. Maybe something like that. Now that looks wonderful. Now let's just add something that would refer to music. So music. So let's find something that would fit nicely. How about this one? Something like this. It looks simple, but it's also used a lot. So it's not very original anymore. So let's find something that is a bit simple. For instance, maybe just like this. Now this one is also very used. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you a sample. It doesn't mean that you have to do it like this. Of course, let's try and match the colors together. Turn it into red as well. And it would be nice if we also had a background. Like for instance, here we have HOTV here. Their logo has a background which is blue. So we can also try that. But if you want to settle for just without a background, then that's okay as well. So we go back here to effects. We can change this into different other things. So for example, maybe we could add the echo to emphasize the music or the sound part. So it's just a creative liberty that I'm going for here, because I think it actually does look good. And then maybe if you want to add a shape behind, you can go over here to elements and let's try square or rectangle and just drag that out, make it a bit bigger. Let's put it in the middle as well, like that. And of course the position, let's send it to the back so that the logo isn't, or like the rest of the design isn't really covered. And now let's say you're satisfied with what you have or what you have created and you just want to use this logo already on your website. what you need to do now is to head over here to share and click on download and make sure that you check transparent background. But first of all, you can't really use the transparent background feature without having Canva Pro. So you should also consider using Canva Pro. But wait a minute, we're not done. If you don't have Canva Pro, then that doesn't mean that you can't use the photo that you have saved here. Something that you can do is maybe you can take a screenshot of just the square part here and crop it. Or you go to a website called remove.bg over here. Let's download this picture without clicking the transparent background. Set it to PNG. Don't forget to set it to PNG. And then now that it's done, let's go over here to upload image and click the image that we just had saved. Okay, now what this will do is it will remove the background behind it and only leave behind the design that we've created. So we have the option here to download just the normal quality or download it in HD. But if you click on download HD over here, you will have to sign up for free and they will use some credit stuff. Okay, so it's up to you. So when you're done, you can just click on download, and that's it. That is how you can create a logo using, a website logo using Canva. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. You know, if you're using website logo, it's better without in background. Yeah, it's much better. Thanks for watching.
Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.